Welcome to the Nature Desk. I'm Marley Swarnk. Since more and more of you have been spending time at home lately, we wanted to identify some of the creatures you might be seeing in the wild right around you. Take a look.
I'm Tree Kip. If you've been out and about lately, you may have seen some of these out and about lately. Now, any of our paleontologist friends would ask themselves, what is this? How do I classify it? Well, this is Mark. He likes avocado oil straight up. He's friendly to most people, and he loathes detectives, but only in a moral sense. What is it, Mark? Do you have something to hide? I know what you did last week in Kmart. Now to you, Dirk.
Thanks, Tree. I'm Dirk Fink, and I'm here to introduce you to some other creatures you might have seen out and about. No, I'm not talking about fish. Tree already introduced you to Mark. I'm talking about birds. I have a sneaking suspicion that this one's the one who's forging my tax returns. Sneaky little fellas. I guess the most important part is that you hear them tweeting through all hours of the day. That's the sweetest thing. Even when you live with no other people, you're never truly alone.
Thanks, Dirk. Now, we'll be finding some of the most reptilious creatures out there. As a wildlife observer, the most important question I can ask myself is this: what do I have to lose? The answer? This $50 Best Buy gift card I stole from my father when I was 5. $50 is a lot of money. He can't really be gone without it. And if I ever did lose it, I'll have no reason to send the email I've had in my drafts for the past 20 years, in hopes of him saying, "Yes, I have missed you, more than you'll ever know," and me saying, "I've known it all along." This is by email. And then we meet in a gas station on Miller Avenue, and he orders greasy breakfast food, and I order nothing but coffee, and we stay there for hours as I tell him everything I've ever done, and he is so proud of me. Look, they're nesting. I wish I could go home.
Geese are a little aggressive sometimes.